Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about resilience, a quality we all need in our professional lives. We've all been there, stuck, frustrated, feeling like we're trudging uphill in armor. But have you ever considered the pangolin for inspiration? The pangolin, the world's most trafficked mammal, has faced adversity for millions of years. They've endured threats that would make most creatures crumble. But here's the thing, pangolins are survivors. Their tough scales aren't just for defense, they're a symbol of strategic brilliance. When they face danger, they roll up in a ball, creating an impenetrable fortress. But that's not all they do. They use this time to regroup, to strategize their next move. And when they emerge, they're unstoppable. They may be slow and steady, but they're persistent, never giving up on finding food, finding shelter, finding what they need to thrive. So the next time you feel stuck, channel your inner pangolin. Remember your own strength, your ability to strategize and adapt. You have everything you need to overcome any obstacle. Unfurl your determination, unfurl your creativity, and keep moving forward. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and just like the pangolin, never stop rolling towards your goals. If you enjoyed this video and you want more inspiration to conquer your professional challenges, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep hustling.